looking cooler. Milk cooler, not running. Contactors pulled in. I think this is the one we're supposed to be working on. Just thought I heard it bump. Tried to start it up. Had to power off to it for a while, but I'll show you what's going on. I'm gonna flip the breaker. She don't want to start. You can just hear it buzz, not even try to start. So this is an old R12er. It just don't want to start. It's locked. So I don't know what they're gonna do. It's a Sunday. All right, that was that's one of the small markets we take care of in a small town up here in north of 69. We got a bunch of them we take care of, little small grocery stores, and it figures every time I'm on call, they got a call for something or another. Always, every time. So this time it was milk cooler. As you've seen on that amp draw, it was pulling over 100 amps. First time I tried it, it was pulling like 58. And then on camera, it pulled over that because it maxed my meter out. I think I didn't have it set to over. I didn't have my settings right, so it would go up to 100 amps. So yeah, I was pulling some major amperage, but she wouldn't want to start. So she would pull the amperage, and all of a sudden, inside of that compressor, you hear click. The overload's going off. So it wasn't that eventful of a video, but that really sucks because that's their beer and dairy. It's like got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 doors of beer and 5 doors of milk. So they got to pull the 5 doors. They're going to leave the beer there. There's nothing they can do. And then also I was getting pictures of the TXVs, you know, because we're going to have to replace the compressor and change the refrigerant to what I don't know right now. But one of the TXVs I could see on the body was actually leaking. It's just sitting there bubbling. It doesn't matter. But when I talked to the manager, she's like, well, that was just replaced. I'm like, no, that's a 2003 compressor. It's from 2003. It's 20 years old. So that thing's been replaced God knows how many times. Because I think the one in there before was a replacement. Because I think that's, gosh, that's got to be a early 70s or a late 70s, 80s compressor rack. I think think 80s. I don't know, before my time in heating and cooling, but I think it's a junker. But it ran up till now, so we got to figure out what the heck's going on with it. Yeah, I mean, the plate said 03 was the date, 2003. So that's when that compressor got replaced. So, geez, that's when I was just getting into the field. A few years, maybe 5 years before that. Nah, bro, yeah. Got in the field late 90s. So, I can't even remember when. So that's it for this one. I mean, that's kind of, you know, it is what it is. There's nothing I can do. They're stuck on a Sunday. So you guys know what you need to do. Like, subscribe, hit up the GoFundMe for my son. I really appreciate